see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Buwan ko si Sak ng toast. Just to... Huh? Oh, you're going to Dad. Good morning, guys. Paalis na sila. Morning, Sak. Ando na si Kuya. And kahapon, pagdating namin galing, school, galing sa sports day, naglaba ako. Pangit ng weather, malamig na naman. Oh, it's my birthday tomorrow. Do you have something for mommy? Do you have something for me? Umiyak si Holly. Oh, Papa. Mommy here. It's mommy here, Papa. It's mommy here. Akala niya, iniwan ko siya. Say good morning. Say morning. Oh, morning, baby. Diba?
Hey, sugar.
Hey, sugar. Ipakita ko kay Jan yung, ipakita ko na rin sa inyo yung mga binili ko sa Cotton On. Ito yung sa mga sa boys. Nakikita nyo ba kami, guys? Ito,
What is that?
TJ Arsa. Ito yung shorts.
Very dry.
TJ. Size 6.
Yeah, that looks big.
That looks big.
Yeah.
Ano siya? Dati siyang $16.99. $8.50 na lang. Ito. Kita niyo ba kami? $8.50 na lang. And malamig ngayon, guys. Naka-heater kami. And naka-cardigan. Cardigan ba ito? Blazer or whatever. And ito, Han. Honey.
Oh, lovely, sweetie.
Whatever.
That's not mine.
This is TJ, size 8. Ano siya? Magkano mabili ko nito? $10 na lang. $24.99. Oh, di ba naka... Ano tayo? Baba? You know what? Tanggalin ko na rin yung tag.
Is this my ear, baby?
Ha?
And there.
Tanggalin ko yung tag.
That's mine.
That's mine.
Look. Mine. See?
Is this mine?
Maybe.
Yellow.
Ito yung dadalhin namin sa Renmark. Baba, you know what? Why don't you get me a plastic bag to put this one? So, ito kay Kuya TJ. Dalawa na yung kay Kuya.
Don't need off.
What? Wait, can you get something to your...
Here.
Ayaw yung magpatali. And this one. Is that? TJ.
Seven.
Yeah. So,
I don't have to fix that. That's mine.
Mine.
kay Sok na lang. Kay TJ daw kasi malaki. $10 to. Dati rin siyang
What happened to
Walang nakalagay, pero $10 ko na lang siya nakuha. And ano siya, pwede siyang pang swimming. Ito hindi, kasi medyo mabigat to pang swimming. Ito lahat to sa Cotton On. Meron din kasi ako nabili sa Kmart. That's mine. So, parang puro kay Kuya sa... Ay,
This is
Kuya
mom.
It's yours.
It's yours now. Hinahanap niyo yung... Wait, mamaya. Hinahanap niya yung swimsuit ni Holly. How about this one? Sock?
The 7.
Yeah, but Cotton On size is a bit smaller, huh?
We'll have to try them on.
Yeah, si Sock. Ito ni Sock. Kasi kung lahat to kay Kuya.
That's t-shirt.
Ito,
What is
24.
that?
Mom.
That's Kuya TJ.
That's sexy.
Or Sock, okay. Si Kuya, ayaw niya ng pink. Parang si Jen din. Si Sock, okay lang. Oy, Baba, give it to me that one, please.
I will show.
Oh, shirt. They can't see your face. That's why I told you to get something for your hair. What's that for? So, eto, $10 din ko ito nakuha. $24.99 din siya. And, TJ. Wala pa ng lalaki nga. $8.50. $8.50, Han. $8.50. Size 7 and size 8 ang kinuha ko. Wala, baka wala mag-asya kay Sak. Ayan.
Shows you haven't got palms.
This is yours, Dad.
So what we're gonna do?
Dad, look. Is this Dad's?
Yeah, that's for Dad.
Daddy.
Oh,
No, that's not for Dad. Hala, wala siksa.
Big.
That's C-shape.
No, that's
Pasukat ko na lang kay Sak. Anong kasi sa kanya dyan?
Size 7.
Eto kay Sak. Kay Kuya TJ, dinosaur. Pero si Sak ang mahilig sa
No,
dinosaur.
that's Kuya TJ.
Ano?
That's Kuya Zach.
Mura na lang to, Han. This is very cheap. Hoy, Baba, give it to me. This is $5. It was
that's why.
$16.90. That's why daw. Kasi nga, hindi niya gusto yung print. Pero maganda kaya. Si Sak mahilig sa dinosaur. Hindi naman to para sa iyo.
What is that, Zach?
Zach or TJ?
6.
Size 6. Oh, that's Zachary.
This is Kuya Zacky's.
Yeah, that's Kuya Sak. Itong mga type ni Sak na mga, t-shirt. Yeah, my color.
This is Mom.
So, this one is
Mom, is
for...
this yours?
No, this is Zachary. How much is this? $10. It was $24.99. Halos $24.99. Nakuha ko na lang $10. Diba? No, that's cool. I cannot see your face, baby.
Look, this is a cool one.
This is cool.
This one.
Is it cool?
Yeah. Hey, let's see. This is Kuya Zach's.
Ito ba? Oh,
That's
manipis
Kuya
lang.
Zach. Don't touch it.
And this is for
If
Zachary.
you want to.
Magkano bili ko nito? $5 na lang to. It was how much? Hindi nakalagay pero naka-sale siya. Oh. Kaysa sando-sando niya. Sando-sando.
Cool one.
Is that cool one?
What about Rebound?
And this is for Zachary. Parang lahat ng top kay Zach and kay Kuya lahat short. Parang...
There's a band.
$14.99. Naging $5 na lang. So, bala na silang dalawa. And eto, size 8 to. Yung iba size 6. Eto size 8. $7.50 tapos down to $5. Pero $14.99 siya before. Diba mura na cotton on.
Taking on.
Baba, akin na.
Look, I want to show it to the people.
Oh, show it to the people.
Is this mine?
No, it's not nga. That's for Kuya. And eto kay Kuya TJ siguro to. First. Ewan ko si Kuya kasi mapili rin siya sa ano niya. Ano na lang siya. Naging $8 siya. Tapos down $5. Pero dati, $16.99. Maninipis lang siya. Manipis to, oh. Kaya mura siya. Pero yung mga kapal nila, mahal. Akin na na.
This is mine.
Ito nakita nyo na to, diba?
This is mine.
Ito yung nabili ko sa cotton on.
Daddy,
I
look,
need
this
you.
is mine.
Okay.
Daddy,
Wala, inalis na ni Holly.
Mom,
Ito
this
kay
is
Holly.
mine.
Yeah, that's frozen. Size 3, $14.99 before, $7.50 na lang.
I
Ayun po.
knew it.
Anong I knew it?
No, this is mine. I knew it.
I know, that's frozen. Ayun, oh, $3.
Daddy.
Ito, tinatanggal ko to kasi makati to sa ano, katawan. Mama, i-check ko yung sa voice. Ito kay Holly to eh. Mama, I cannot see your face nga. Ay, nako. Nainis din ako pag nasa mukha mo yung buhok mo. Ayaw niya kasi magpasali.
What's the bag?
Nag-aaway.
What's the bag?
Wait. Frozen.
Frozen.
How much is this?
Oh.
Ano 8? Eto frozen. $19.99 before $10 na lang. Baba na ba-bother ako sa buhok mo?
I don't want that.
Ay, wag mo akong artihan na ha. Anong fine-fine ka dyan ha? Lagi siyang ganyan. Nag-aaway kayo para wala na lang gulo. Inayaan ko na lang siya. Here. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda mo?
And Dad, put up.
Oh, look at. See, you're pretty. Oh, this one.
Oh, that's up.
This one.
Cool.
No, I'm gonna cut it here, Baba. Okay? Okay, that's yours. Hold that one. And this is Kuya TJ. Short. $5 din. Dating $7.50. Original price is $14.99. $7.50. Tapos naging $5. Medyo malaki siya. And, okay. This is Holly. Cotton on. How much is this? Batman na nakalagay. Batman. Wait, baby. Holly. Batman. Ang sabi. Yeah. Batman nga. May print siyang Batman. And, eto rin kay Holly. Size 3 yung kinuha ko. Pero parang malaki kay Holly, no? Size 3 to. $19.99. $10 ko siya nakuha.
That's not for that.
Medyo makapal to. Compare sa mga boys. May rainbow siya. Tanggalin natin.
Who is that?
Yeah, yan yung ginawa mo dun, di ba? Yes. Yan yung ginawa niya habang nagsha-shopping ako. Nag-grocery and nag-coloring siya.
I want this by this because this is mine.
Okay. Kmart. Eto pa. Nakita niyo na to. How about that one, Baba?
That's done.
This is done. This is Kuya TJ, size 8.
That's not cool, DJ. That's
Summer vibe. So, tamang-tama to pang Renmark. Okay, cotton on. Kmart. Ito yung sa Kmart na nakabili ko. Unahin ko na kasi nintay ni Jen is yung swimsuit ni Holly. Where is it, Holly? Hala. Wait, Baba.
rain. That's it.
This is for the boys, son.
Alright.
Yay!
Pang swimming. Yeah? This is Kuya. Dati siyang $12. $9 ko na lang siya nakuha. Sa Kmart to. Maganda siya.
Hey, Dad, look.
Ayan, Ito kay Kuya. And this is the part na honey. Tingnan nyo yung gano'n.
I'm cool it.
Baba? Daddy wanna see it, Baba. Nice, huh?
It's mine.
Honey, Kuya.
Oh, that's the rashes.
Yeah. Pang swimming. Nice. Right? 7 to 16 years old. I don't think she's 16 years old to wear that, huh?
Mom.
Yeah, wait, Baba. I
Carry
love
them
it.
up, so.
Yeah, cut that one.
Mom.
Nice,
Take
right?
this off, Mom.
Wait, baby. Eto,
I need
nag-sale
the
din siya.
thingy.
$12
Where's the thingy?
down to $7. Ang ganda niya kaya pang swimming. Okay, akin na, Baba. Eto nga, magkano na to? Hindi ko na alam. Tinanggal niya na yung presyo. Gusto niyan tanggalin yung ano. Eto, mura lang ito nabili ko. Siguro $10 or $12. Ayan, Kay Holly yan. And this is Zachary Han. Daddy.
Yeah.
Kay Zach. Hindi siya sale. $7 siya. Yun talagang original
Is that
price
Zach's
niya.
top?
Yes. Nice, right? Nice. May, hindi siya magka-perno. Hindi siya magka-terno, pero nahanapan ko siya na, parang terno na rin kasi, di ba, Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang kulay. Eto, naka-sale to. $12 before, $7 na
You
lang.
won't rip that off, you gotta count it.
Baba, dude, I need to see how much. Wait. Ikaw na talaga. So, yung kay Holly, $10, original, $7 na lang.
I don't put this.
Ang gulo nitong, iiwan namin to. You're not coming to Renmark.
I can't.
No, you're being naughty.
I just take this off, Mom.
Eto,
But you gotta wait.
So, $7 na lang siya, guys. Diba, presko siya. Naka-sale siya. Where's your swimsuit, Baba? Where's your swimsuit, Holly? Where is it?
Well, it's not in there. I was saying no swimsuit for Holly.
Ano, yung parang hinihintay ni Jan. Pinakialaman nito, for sure. Yes, you have your swimsuit sa Holly. Eto, $7 na lang din to, Hanapin ko yung swimsuit. Yan parang hinihintay ni Jan.
Where's the swimsuit?
Eto pala, $10. Original.
Huh?
Magkano? Wala na yung original niya, pero ayan, mayroon siyang yellow tag. $10 na lang siya. Wait, I'm gonna find your swimsuit, Holly. And eto,
It's like
$10 original, $7 na lang. And eto din, the same lang siguro ito. $7 na lang. Di ba ang mura? Hindi ko na siya nalabhan. I-ano ko na lang siya, yung steamer. Yung steamer kong nabili kasi maganda yun. Hanapin ko muna yung swimsuit mo, Baba.
Lost it.
Hala, where's your swimsuit?
Lost it.
Hi ulit guys. Hindi ko mahanap yung yung swimsuit ni Holly na binili ko sa Coast. No, I didn't, honey. And hindi ko alam kung mahaba yung pag-haul ko ng mga damit ng mga bata. Pag mahaba yun, ihiwalay ko na lang to. So dyan, ayan, nililinis niya ulit yung car. Are you gonna put it outside?
Later.
Later. O, mamaya.
It's been rain though.
Uulan.
But
Yes.
should be off.
Come here, please.
What?
I want something to eat.
You want something to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want for dinner, honey?
I
What
want
do you want?
breakfast.
Huh?
I want breakfast.
You just had a breakfast. What do you want? This one? You want
Yes.
Fruit Loops?
I want fruits.
Gusto niya ang Fruit Loops. Breakfast na siya kanina. Yogurt na siya. What happened? Why your eyes are red? Huh?
But I am tired.
You are tired for what? What did you do?
I was tired and I want you. I was tired and I want you.
Okay. Get down now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hindi ko talaga mahanap yung swimsuit ni Holly and hindi ko rin mahanap yung receipt ng Cotton On kung nabili ko ba talaga. Pero alam ko na nabili ko yun kasi yun ang unang kong kinuha bago pa yung mga damit and linagay ko muna dun sa cashier kasi sabi ko sa babae, I'm just gonna put it here and then I will look around if I can see something for the boys. Sabi niya, okay, just put it there. So, linagay ko doon. So, hindi ko alam kung pagbayad kung sinabay niya ba. And hindi ko rin alam kasi wala yung resibo. Hindi ko mahanap. Importante ang resibo para alam ko talaga kasi para mayroon na akong peace of mind na kung nabili ko ba o hindi. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya kukunin ko yun. So, but anyway, eto, hindi ko na sila nalabhan, yung mga damit. So, gagawin ko, i-ano ko na lang sila, steamer, para mainitan. Kasi, wala na, ang pangit ng weather kasi ngayon dito sa amin. Laging umuulan, tapos, konti lang yung init, tapos, uulan na naman. So, eto, mag-i-impake na ako. Eto yung mga damit na dadalhin namin. Pero hindi lahat ng mga shorts na pinakita ko sa inyo ay dadalhin namin kasi yung iba makakapal. Pero yung mga sando, dadalhin namin. And padadaanan ko nga yan sa steamer. And si Jan, linabas na rin ni Jan yung mga damit niya.
Where's my swimming suit?
Hinahanap niya talaga yung yung swimsuit niya kasi alam niya talaga na binili namin yung kasi nakita niya na nilagay ko sa counter. I couldn't find it, Baba.
This is not like mine.
Eto, binili ko rin to sa Cotton On. Hawak-hawak niya to, nasa car seat. Kasi hinawakan niya yan. So, eto, padadaanan ko rin to sa steamer kasi medyo kulubot. So, yeah, mag-impake na ako. Are you excited, Baba?
Yes.
Where are we going?
At Watermark.
Anong Walmart?
At Kmart.
Anong Kmart?
Well,
Ren?
Redmark.
That's
I
right.
saw Watermark.
Watermark is a restaurant, Baba.
Oh, that's where you do.
No, we're not going there. We're going to...
That's where you do yesterday.
No, we didn't. That's where we go when we eat. Okay, mag-impake na ako, guys. And padadaanan ko to sa steamer. Eto, maganda to. Maganda to talaga. Eto. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Maganda rin siyang dalhin pag nagbabiyahe. Tanggalin ko pala to kasi wala na tong tubig. Ito, tinatanggal lang to eh. Paano na to? Kasi kailangan dalawang kamay. Sandali nga. Nalagyan ko na siya ng tubig. And ipupush lang natin siyang ganyan. Ayan, madali lang siya. And meron pala siyang brush. Hindi ko to napakita last time. Meron siyang brush dito. And natatanggal niya yung mga parang himul-mul sa damit. Ayan, oh. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Lagay ko kayo dito sa headboard ng bed. Diyan kayo. Wait lang.
The sun is coming up again. Looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you.
Nagpalit ako ng battery and tingnan nyo si Holly. What are you doing, Baba? Sleeping there with your rug? Ano to eh, yung sa kwarto niya to? You're cold. Naka-heater talaga kami guys, oh. Naka-on pa rin. How about the baby?
Oh, baby don't need one.
Ah.
You don't need pants.
Alright. Okay. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-steam ng mga damit. Are you okay there? Okay. Cute niyo, oh. And ako, ongoing pa rin yung pag-steam ko ng mga damit. Pero yung sa mga bata, tapos ko ng latte steam. Yung kay Diyan na yung ini-steam ko. And meron pa pala akong mas malaking steamer compare dyan. Eto, mayroon siyang stand, pero hindi ko ginagamit yung steamer niya kasi nababagalan ako sa kanya. Parang ang haba ng tinatravel ng ng steam bago makarating dito. So, parang yeah, mabagal siya compare dito sa isa na ginagamit ko ngayon. So, pag hindi siya ginagamit, nakaganyan siya. Ang kagandahan lang dito kasi meron siyang stand and mas malaki yung kanyang pinaglalagyan ng tubig. Ay, sorry. Eto ba? So, hindi mo kailangan mag-refill lagi. Kasi dito nakapag-refill na akong 5 beses. So, yeah. Okay lang kasi nagagamit ko naman. Ngayon, magagamit ko na yung stand niya. And eto yung aking pang steam. So, after kay dyan, yung akin naman yung aking i-steam na mga damit. So, tapusin ko na to.
Left and right and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. I'm in an Uber to your place again. Had a couple fucks but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting for the sheets again. Sleeping in your bed like I ain't got one. I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Awesome, awesome. It ain't the change of the season, no. It ain't the distance from the sun. And I keep looking for reasons. It's you're the only one.
Finally, tapos ko na i-organize lahat ng mga damit namin na dadalhin sa Renmark at nailagay ko na sila lahat sa cube organizer. Ito yung kay Jan and ito yung sa amin ni Holly. Ito yung pan-swimming namin. And ito yung kay Sak. Nandito na yung pan-swimming niya at saka yung mga damit niya. And ito yung kay Kuya. And ito yung akin. Halos puti lahat ang dala kong mga damit. And ito yung kay Holly. And ito raw yung susuotin niya. Bukas siya ang nagpili niyan. And ito yung mga shorts na makakapal na hindi ko dadalhin. And yung 3 medyas. Kumuha lang ako ng 2 na medyas ni Holly. And ito yung mga towels na dadalhin namin. And nagdala rin akong 2 bag. Isang crossbody bag na vintage ng MCM. Kasi baka mag-dinner kami sa labas. So ito yung bag kong dadalhin. And isang tote bag. Ito yung mesh ng Chanel sa VIP. yung gift ba. And yung mga boys, sabi ng mga boys, ilagay ko rin yung mga gamit nila. Ito yung kay kuya, sa backpack ba. Ito yung kay kuya. And ito yung kay Zach. So, ilagay ko na yung mga gamit nila dyan. And yung sa amin dito sa maliit na luggage ko ilalagay. So, mag-impake na ako para tapos na and magluluto na ako ng dinner.
Looking like it's gonna be a problem, 'cause I'd be lying to you if...
So, ito na yung mga damit namin. And may nakuha ko sa sa loob ng luggage. Ito kay kuya, ito yung hairly niyang bagong bili namin nung pumunta kami ng Adelaide. Kuya, are you gonna wear this one?
What, on the way?
Yeah?
Which one?
This one?
Yes, right. Yes, please.
Okay. So, ito lang susutin niya on the way bukas. Pagbiyahe. So, okay. So, okay na yung mga damit. Mamaya, ilalagay na lang yan dyan sa car. And aayusin ko rin yung mga dadali namin na drinks at saka snacks. Pero magluluto muna ako. And si Jan, habang busy ako sa kwarto, siya naman, naglabas siya ng steak. Dahil ito yung dinner namin tonight. So, kunin ko lang yung skillet kasi magluluto na tayo. And mamaya, mag-i-impake sa car. As in, lahat i-check para bukas. Paggising, hilamos o ligo, alis. Kasi maaga kami bukas, 7 o'clock daw kami aalis bukas. So, magluto muna ako ng steak.
Darling, I'll just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes...
Nakasalang na yung 4 nating steak and meron pa akong 2 dito. And naubusan ako ng pepper steak seasoning. Ito yung medium. Buti na lang, nagalungkat ako. Meron akong nakuha. Ito yung steak seasoning mild. So, bago to. And, yeah, magkaiba na yung flavor. Pero okay lang. Ayan. Balik na rin na natin ito. Oh. Yummy. Wow. Naglalaway ako. Okay. And magkala ako ng salt and pepper. Sarap kapag maraming pepper. Sura niya sa... Yan niya pag nabaliktad na natin siya. So, ayan. Naglalaway na ako. Are you hungry, Zach?
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo sila, oh. Zachy boy. You're hungry?
You mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby.
So, ito na yung 2 natitira. Nalulunod na siya sa butter, tsaka sa taba. Sarap. So, luto na yung dinner. Ito yung steak. Ayan yung steak. Mainit pa siya. And carrots and peas. And ito yung gravy. So, ito na yung dinner namin, guys. And, do you want gravy, Zach?
I want baby.
Ito kay Zach.
Yes, please.
Gravy.
Yes, please.
Kuya.
Thanks, Mom.
Ayan, you're welcome. Oops.
I don't need none.
You want gravy, Holly?
Yes.
Manners.
Where's yours?
And,
My kid.
alright. Ito.
I'm not seeing it.
And, okay, ito yung kay John. Gravy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, my voice.
Okay, kain.
Oh, I am.
Kain, Baba. Say kain.
Hey.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Tapos na kayo mag-dinner. And nag-dessert na kami. Si Jan ang gumagawa ng dessert. Ice cream with banana or Milo. Sa akin, ice cream with Milo. And nakaligo na yung mga bata. And, ayan si Sak. Ito, ganyan ang gusto ko kay Sak. And di ba dapat ang plano? Thank you, hon. Ito yung okay. Ang plano dapat, ilalabas ni Jan yung car doon sa, doon ba sa backyard, and ilalagay niya yung mga gamit, tapos yung yung mga bikes. Kasi, para bukas alis na lang kami. Kaso, ang pangit ng weather. So, sabi ni Jan, baka bukas na lang na umaga, mas maaga. So, maaga siya gigising para gawin yung paglagay ng bike sa likod ng car, and then yung mga gamit namin. So, ready na yung mga gamit. Kasi kasuin ko na lang pala yung mga drinks nga, tsaka snacks. Yun na lang naman. And, yeah, maliligo ako. Tapos, mag-edit ako ng isang video. Akin na. Ako na muna, Sak. Ayan, si Sak na. Inalok sa akin ni Jan. Si Sak, akin na, that's enough. Ito, dessert. Maghuhugas pa ako after nito. So, kain muna kami ng dessert, guys. Babawa. Kay Holly, may banana. Yan yung kay Johnny Boy. May banana. And, ito yung syrup of Hershey's. Good, Saki Boy? Naligo na ako, guys. Si Johnny Boy ang naguhugas. Ako yung mag-clean ng table, siya nagugas. Maligo na sana ako kasi inutusan ako maglinis ng table. Yes! Okay, yeah. So, at least siya yung nagugas, guys. Pwede pa. So, ako naman maglinis ng table. Yeah, tapos na ako maglinis ng table, tsaka dito, and doon sa pinaglutuan ko. Siya, hindi pa siya tapos maghugas. And where are you going, Holly?
At the shop.
At the shop. Ako, maliligo na ako. Thanks, son. See you later.
Where you go?
I'm gonna have a shower. Punta raw siya kila Joe.
Where are you going?
Tingnan niya kasi si Joe, first day niya kahapon mag-hunt ng kangaroos.
Where are you going?
Gonna have a shower. Hoy, ha? Don't make a mess.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Paradise, tell me who you seek.